It appears that we have an Apple Watch. Looks like Nike Plus edition. Rotating to the back. Series 4, 44 millimeter. Attempting to open the flaps now. Very good. Yes, it appears that there's some kind of watch silhouettes in the inside of the packaging. Pulling out the box. Wait, there's a second box. Some kind of a strap, maybe? Putting it to the side. Okay, first box. It appears to be the watch mechanism. Series 4, space gray, aluminum. Attempting to open the box now. First item from the left. It's like a felt, but there's a device inside, probably a protective layer. Yes, some kind of measurable front, it appears. Setting to the side now. Instructions. How to charge. This looks like the charging unit pulling out now. I see a USB connection. Unsure what the other side is. Comparing. Wonder what happens if... magnetic. It appears to be magnetic charge. Get that? Pulling out power brick now. Standard. Setting aside. Now, the watch band, it appears. Authentic black. Pulling the tab now. Opening flap. Appears to be instructions on how to actually attach the strap to the device. Got it. Attempting to pull out the strap from its packaging now. Appears to be the medium to large size, and appears to be a small size secondary band with it. Comparing the two. Attempting to insert and connect watch band now. Snaps in place. Pushing the button. Apple logo has appeared, and it appears the device is now on and active. So you got power supply, watch, box, watchband box. Confirmed.